Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP and you'll be learning some of the basic Filipino words used when taking a taxi. It is important to be able to tell a taxi driver where you should go and how to get there. Let's start with sa. This is a simple but very useful word which could mean in, to, or on. Put it before any place to tell where you're going. Sa. Sa mall po. Sa town po. Sa Makati po. Then we have taas, which means somewhere up or upstairs, and baba meaning somewhere down a place or downstairs. Taas, 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 taas. Baba, 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 baba. Sa taas po, kuya. Sa baba po. Next, dito na. It could mean right here or pull over here. Dito na. Dito na. Dito na. Dito na. Dito na po. Dito na po, kuya. The last but not the least, magkano, which translates to how much in English. Ask this to know the fare rate based on the meter. Magkano. 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 Magkano po. Magkano po, kuya. These are just some of the most basic Filipino words used when taking a taxi. You will learn more expressions as you advance to future lessons. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Sa. Taas. Baba. Dito na. Magkano. I hope you find these common Filipino words helpful the next time you take a taxi in the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.